Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make this quick and easy mackerel Satni. It's a lovely Bengali dish that can be rustled up with a few ingredients. The following ingredients you will need: oil, 1 large onion, mackerel fillets about 4 cans, pepper, salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, and whole chilies for garnishing and coriander leaves for garnishing. So to start off with, we're going to fry some onions in the oil and add some salt to your taste. You kind of want it to be cooked till it's sort of translucent, and then you can add in some pepper. So you don't want it to get really soft. And then you give that a good mix. Make sure it doesn't burn, because obviously it can burn quite easily. Then you can add your spices, which is 1 heaped teaspoon of each of the powdered spices mentioned. So you've got your cumin, you've got your turmeric, you've got your chili, and you've got your coriander powder. So you put that in there, and then obviously you mix that in until it's actually cooked through. So it's very important to cook your spices, otherwise you just end up with a very grainy texture. So this is a bit where all the aroma comes out. So once that is cooking in its spices, we just get the mackerel fillets ready. So we just drain it from the can and just leave it in a colander, and then we just put it into the pan full of spices, and this is where you start to see everything come together. So once that's in the pan, I like to give it a good mix, and then with my spoon I just like to break it down so it's no longer chunky. So once you've done that, you kind of let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, I say, on like a medium heat. You need to make sure that it doesn't burn at this point, so keep an eye on it, but obviously you just want all the spices to fry with the mackerel. And then once you've done that, you can garnish it with coriander. Obviously at this point I had no coriander. So to finish it off, I just added 2 whole chilies. I just put it into the frying pan and just mixed it in with the mackerel so it cooks a little bit. And that's it. That's basically how you make a quick and easy spicy mackerel Satni. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and stay tuned for some more recipes.